Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to install Windows Server 2003. It was a very popular operating system and people who started their career in almost in 2008 or 7 6 they used to use this operating system, and they also used to use as a domain controller Windows Server 2003. I also installed many times and promoted this server as a domain controller. But people who started their career recently, they will never install 2003 in the production, but they can see how it was looked like when we used to use this. So it was nothing specific, but yeah, used to look something different. So I need to choose the ISO. I have no product key as of now. I need to enter the password for my administrator. It is almost same. If you are installing 2003, 8, 16, 22, 25 as well. I have created another video about latest operating system as well. You can watch them as well. So 2003, you can just give whatever you want to. I think 40 is enough for me. It's just for demo. Here we can choose this one. Power on. Note this one power on. It is looking different, right? If you have ever installed any new operating system 2008 R2, 16, 22 or 25, I have created video on each operating system almost. Setup is formatting something. It is not asking me what I want to use as a C drive, D drive. It is collecting all the information, it's all. I also started my career when 2003 was most popular operating system. Either you are using a web server, SQL server, IIS server, or domain controller. But 2000 operating system was also available. But now, these days, these are legacy, and there will be very rare company who are using. But Microsoft is not supporting at all. If you are using your own risk. Still, you are using. Please taking the backup. If something goes wrong, Microsoft is not going to support. I came this idea because I was thinking to plan one video how to migrate your domain controller from 2003 to 2019 or 16. I will use that same operating system to migrate from this domain controller to, or I would say from this operating system to latest operating system, and I will tell you in my upcoming videos what are the challenges and from where to where we can migrate directly, because there are some dependencies. Uh, I do not have this, but let me try. I tried one key randomly, so it was accepted. You have seen my most of the video. I am disabling IP version 6 in almost all the operating system because we are not using IP version 6 specifically. It is required by any operating system, by any application specifically, because most of the operating applications are only using IP version 4. And you will see that I 2003 or 2003 R2 were not having IP version 6. It came once we got Windows Server 2008 and latest versions. It is true that IP version 6 is also available in the market. They can use as per the standard, but there are very less companies who are using IP version 6. Otherwise, most of the companies are only using IP version 4. And what IP we can use, what should be the subnet mask, what should be the gateway, that is decided by the network team in the big companies. We cannot decide because network team is the most authoritative source for deciding or telling you what IP should we use for particular location and particular device. So whenever you are working for your protection, please don't use any IP randomly. It can break some communication. So just check with your network team what IP can be used. Nowadays we are using cloud portal as well. So you can also ask any cloud team whether they are using Azure cloud, AWS cloud, Google cloud, and other popular vendors. But don't use any IP randomly. Get this from someone, from the networking, I would say, then use. Still preparing. Yes, we are almost ready. We can close this. We just wait. It is installing VMware tool, which is also required and it should be up to date as well. Restart it automatically. And now it is ready. So we can log in with the password. If you just compare other operating system or latest operating system, username administrator will be always there, right? And you need that user to log in. So it is looking different, right? So we and you close it. Yeah, we can close this. This is manage your server. Something different from your new operating systems. These are almost same. If you say computer management, it will take you the user group, same that you are doing in the server 2022 or 25 as well. Guest account is always disabled, that you can see. Admission is always enabled. Here you will see we have the almost same groups. Administrators is always there. Disk management, it is almost same. Many things have been changed, but some are not. Some are looking like same. So if you open run here and cp.cpl, it is looking like a little bit different. But I was talking about IP version 6. Here you can't see IP version 6, right? Because IP version 6 came after 2008 operating system, or in the 2000 operating system. It was not available in 2003 and 2003 R2. Same, it is looking same, right? But if you talk about any computer, you are saying, okay, need to go the system property. It is looking little bit different. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.